going to the agency's secret laboratory next to the gas station. In there, he flips on both of these levers. Then he goes to these switches and presses 1, 4, and 5. And if in that wall is written A24, you seem to have done it right. Now he goes to the whiteboard and writes semicolon activate command. And finally, he clicks a hidden button under this desk. The whole room goes dark like there's been a blackout or something. With all of that done, the sky should look like the beginning of the video. I am really doubting this one, but let's give it a try. First things first, let's go over to the Rotten Robbie's gas station. We now go
The Ferrero Rocher chocolate bar. Crunchy hazelnuts, smooth chocolate. Ferrero Rocher.
close to this mountain where the door to the lab will open up for us. So here's where we'll have to mess with some try. First things first, let's go over to the Rotten Robbie's gas station. We now go close to this mountain where the door to the lab will open up for us. So here's where we'll have to mess with some stuff. To start, both these levers have to be on. Now on this side, just the 1, 4, and 5 switches should be yellow, according to so here's where we'll have to mess with some stuff. To start, both these levers have to be on. Now on this side, just the 1, 4, and 5 switches should be yellow. According to him, this text shows us if this thing is working, since if we activate it just like they told us to, you can see that the text does change to something different. With all that done, I need to go to the whiteboard where we'll have to input something. In this case, it'll be semicolon activate command. Awesome, that's exactly how we should write it, so it's cool. I think everything is done now. We just need to click the button under the desk. Alright, since that's the case, let's click it. I did. So if the video is right, the light should have gone out, right? That didn't really happen. Guess I'll have to do it myself. There we go. Let's get back there and act like this actually worked. So now the city sky should be all red and creepy. Okay, now why is the sky still bright and blue? Did the myth just not load or something? There's not a lick of red up there. As you imagined, that myth is false. It doesn't work like that in Brookhaven. This girl is trying to show us some secrets. First, she wants us to turn as small as we can again. Then we lie down and changes her avatar, because when she does that, she literally turns invisible. Now, is that actually true? This player seems to be getting her own house. She even got the newly added castle. So this is where we'll be testing if this bug actually works or not. First, I gotta be on the second floor of the castle. She won't find me here, right? Oh gosh! She found me immediately! Get away from me! I'll hide myself somewhere. Whoa! This fireplace is such a good place for that. So let's go ahead and make ourselves tiny just like that. All we need to do now is use the lie down animation. The last part of this bug is that we go to the avatar editor and change our avatar. What? Wait, it worked! Are you kidding? Me. I'm literally between the floors of the castle now. That's so weird. You can see how bugged I am where I try to walk because I can't go anywhere. What if I do any other animation? Oh, it took out of it. I didn't want to do that. This girl also got a house over this way. So why don't I do the same bug for her too? We'll see if it's gonna work out. Alright, let's start by getting tiny. Then we lie down on the floor and change our avatar quickly. Nice! We actually disappeared. The player must be so confused with what happened, doesn't even know how to process this. They even went away. That's kind of funny. I think they're thinking I'm downstairs, but I'm really just inside your floor. You can even see a little hair coming from me on the ground. Another secret that this video shows us is with the vacuum cleaner the girl is holding right now. She then sits down on a couch, grabbing it again and deleting your house that you'll just start walking around as if you're floating in the air like that. Let me just get a random house so we